Due to the spread of COVID-19 pandemic, which leads to enforce 10 months lockdown in Nepal in a period of 2 years. At that time, the lockdown made even the most affluent class miserable. The period of lockdown was extremely challenging for the middle class workers and grassroots people. They were in the stage of starvation. They used to wander in search for food in most of the public places and bus parks of Kathmandu in the hope to quench their hunger. In the meantime, with the concept of founding President Sangye Sherpa and the General Secretary Vikas Tamang, Geshe Tashi Foundation was established aiming to feed hungry, unprivileged workers. Till then, under the leadership of General Secretary Tamang, the program of feeding food to poor and needy workers is still going on. The foundation has been actively involved in providing food to the various below-bar community people in different places of Kathmandu Valley. Geshe Tashi Foundation has become a support for the survival of these poverty-stricken, unemployed and lower-class workers.
मलाई धेरै खुसी लाग्छ यहाँ दुखी पीडितहरुलाई कृषि संस्थाले यहाँ सबैलाई पीडितहरुलाई खुवाउनु भएको छ उहाँले धेरै चाहिँ पीडितहरुलाई सरकारले गर्न नसकेका कामहरु त्यसै चाहिँ संस्थाले गर्नु भएको रहेछ त्यसको लागि हाम्रो लागि धेरै खुसी लागेको छ र मेरो लागि मात्र हैन सबै पीडित वर्गहरुले खुसी भएको छ सबै पीडित वर्गहरुले हृदयदेखि चाहिँ आशीर्वाद पनि दिइरहेको छ मेरो उमेर भनेको चाहिँ कति र म काम गर्न नसक्ने भएको कारणले यहाँ आएर यहाँ उहाँहरूले यसरी दुःख पीडित मान्छेहरूलाई यसरी खाना खुवाउनु हामी धेरै खुसी छौँ।
Not only limited for workers, they extend their reach of service to differently able group of people, various childcare homes, orphanages, old age ashrams, with supplying food and cloth items. At the same time, they tend to share happiness with orphan children by celebrating various occasions, mostly their birthdays.
Hello.
Apart from this, the organization is extending their hands to help in treatment of helpless and the poor. Geshe Tashi Foundation has also saved precious lives of many people by collecting the treatment expenses of the patients staying in the hospital and who cannot provide the treatment due to the lack of money. Even in the time of any kind of natural disaster in the country, Geshe Tashi Foundation has been actively moving forward by supplying the necessary materials and working hand in hand in relief and support work. Geshe Tashi Dorje, the unforgettable name for Geshe Tashi Foundation, is providing continuous support to this organization since its very beginning. The Geshe Tashi family salutes all the donors. We will continue to work day and night to help anyone in need.